Here's how to do this outfit transition video with the speed curve feature and the glow effect. In clip 1, do a half turn. In clip 2, do a half turn in a different outfit to complete the transition, then half turn again. In clip 3, do a half turn in a different outfit to complete the transition. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in the description. First, we'll make the transitions more seamless with the speed curve feature. Tap speed. Select curve. Add a point right before you turn. Increase the speed towards the end of the video. Go to the next clip and repeat the same steps, adding a point after and before the turn, then increasing the speed of the beginning and end of the clip. Here's what it should look like. Next, we'll add the glow effects to each clip. Tap Effect. Tap AI Effect. Select Glow. Choose the suitable glow effect. You can also change the color according to your preference. Add a suitable glow effect for each clip. And here's the final results.